How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom you will find different options. Tap on the option of Marketplace. Now tap on this option of Sell. Head towards the option of Create Listing. Different options will pop up. Select the option that you want to sell. I'm gonna select Items. First you can add photos. You can select multiple pictures. After you select it, tap on Done. Now give a title and then type in the price and then select the category. Likewise select the condition. You can also add something to your description and then you can select the location. Likewise tap on this drop down More Details and fill these time period, original and color. You can customize listing options. If you want to hide from friends, you can toggle on for this option. If you want to list your item in more places, you can tap on this option and do that. If you want to add more options to your item, you can tap on this option and do that. After you fill all these, you can tap on the option of Publish. After you publish the item, now people who are interested in your item will inbox you. This is how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. Applying the same process, you are able to sell other products as well. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.